Welcome to Easy Power, where innovation meets reliability and performance powers your world. At Easy Power, we deliver more than equipment. We deliver confidence, efficiency, and long-term performance. Our power solutions are designed to meet the demands of professionals, industries, and everyday operations. Power, performance, reliability, a complete range for every need. Discover our advanced range of power generators, engineered to perform when it matters most. With multiple models and multiple capacities, Easy Power provides dependable energy for small applications and heavy-duty operations alike. Reliable performance, built for quality, built to last. Our water pumps are designed for strength and efficiency, available in different sizes and suited for different applications. They deliver strong flow, smooth operation, and trusted quality you can rely on day after day. Experience professional-grade cleaning with our powerful power washers. A wide variety of options engineered for professional results. High pressure combined with precision control ensures deep, effective, and effortless cleaning across all surfaces. Get the job done right with our durable and reliable power tools. A complete multi-tool range designed for every job. Built tough, engineered for accuracy, and made to perform in demanding environments. Professional tools for professional performance. At Easy Power, we believe true strength lies in trust. Reliable, efficient, secure, because real power is power you can trust. We are proud to serve customers across the United Arab Emirates. With UAE-wide service and supply, Easy Power is always within reach, wherever your work takes you. Thank you for choosing Easy Power, your trusted partner in powering progress.